My name is Alexander Custodio. I'm a senior staff attorney with Land of Lincoln Legal Assistance. I work in the Northern Regional Office, which is here in Springfield, Illinois. I do exclusively family law. Normally, the kinds of cases I take are cases in which there's been domestic violence involved, or a primary caregiver of a child or children are being challenged for custody. When I went to law school, I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do, but my last year, I did get involved with a volunteer mediation group, Neighborhood Justice Chicago. I really enjoyed doing that, and the satisfaction of helping people resolve their disputes outside of court was very rewarding for me. Then I ended up in Springfield working for the Sangamon County State's Attorney's Office, where I was prosecuting in the Child Support Enforcement Division. I wanted to stay in public interest, but do more than just child support enforcement. So I came here in January of 1997.
He knows what he's doing. He did some public housing work, found out he really didn't like it, and preferred to concentrate in family law. Not only does he focus on family law, but he focuses on very difficult family law cases. He's very good about understanding the importance of the case to client, of understanding that in client's life, this is the most important thing.
I enjoy doing family law. It can be very stressful, it can be very draining, but at the same time, for me, it's been very rewarding. When I win at trial against an abuser, that means the abuser can't harm my client anymore, and also this abuser's behavior has been recognized as unlawful and very serious. The most recent one I did, I was representing the mother in an order protection action. Her husband, the father of their 7-year-old, was sexually abusing the child, and I was able to obtain the plenary order protection, but then after that I found out that the criminal case against him was dismissed. So I was very satisfied that we did get the order protection because the husband was not going to go to prison for what he had done.
He has a very even personality. He has a very wry sense of humor. At the end of the day, I think he is able to step back and not take it home with him. I've known him 13 years now, and he's very even-keeled, very dedicated, and does a very good job for the clients and for the client community. I've
been doing it such a long time, and it's become my identity. If I suddenly stopped doing it, I know I'd have an identity crisis because that's me. I'm a legal aid attorney, and it's just who I am.